I'm right behind you. Let's go see the chickens. Watch out. These will knock you over. You alright? Keep going. Yep, come on. Let's go see the chickens. Keep going. A little bit further. What's in there? You gonna look inside? Careful, there's blackberries. Jake, move. You wanna go inside? Jake, get out of here. Go see chickens. 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 You see them? What do you think? You gonna get the egg? Are there any eggs in there? Let's look. There are eggs in there. Get them, Austin. Get the eggs. Look. Austin. Austin. Get the eggs. Get them. Gonna get them? Good job. Give them to Mommy. Uh-oh. Well, good thing we got lots of them, huh? Nice try, though, buddy. Want to get another one? We'll try it again. Oops. Uh-oh. Farm boy falling down in chicken poop. No, I think he missed it.